Brock Lesnar, the Beast, wants to go after Triple H the game again. Why would we want to see this? Because it's Brock Lesnar and it's Triple H. And it seems like a reoccurring fact of the WWE that we're going to see a match that is the first time starting. We're going to at least see it 3 or 4 times because the streak has been with 2 people for 4 years. And I'm sure we're going to see Punk versus Taker again because, you know, he's crying right now saying that he doesn't know if he can beat him or not. If he's the best in the world like he claims, he should be able to do it. But, I mean, the streak is beyond wrestling. It's bigger than that. You know, it's just not going to end. And I just feel like that Brock Lesnar and Triple H, it's a cool way to have this match, you know, an old school steel cage match. You know, this is the way to do it. But I wonder what the stipulation is going to be, because that was the stipulation before, that, you know, Triple H had it on him, but he didn't really have anything on Brock. I don't know where this is going to go. I don't know where it'll end up, but it's going to be cool to see him in a steel cage match. And I hope it's, you know, chairs and you know, sledgehammers and all that stuff. But I have no idea where this is going. I think that we're going to have, you know, an ECW rebirth, because there's a lot of rumors going around about Rob Van Dam coming back to WWE. I don't know how true it is, but Brock Lesnar is, you know, at the end of his contract with Extreme Rules, because he debuted after WrestleMania last year, so really his contract's probably up, so they're going to have to re-sign him. So I'd say they're working on re-signing him. But what I think is really going to happen is that there's going to be a stipulation in the match to maybe get ECW back and put it on Sci-Fi and to take away SmackDown, because if they're going to combine the shows anyway, then they should just have 3 hours on Raw, which it's really too much anyway. So they need to combine both shows on Monday night when everybody's watching, and then have Saturday for the Extreme, because they can get by with a lot more on Sci-Fi than what they can with, you know, the USA Network that wants them to be PG. But that's the only thing I can see that would legitimately make this match interesting, because we've already seen it. We've already seen it to the point to where they're 1-1. This is the only way to settle it, really, 2 out of 3. But who wants to see it, you know? I mean, Extreme Rules, it's just, you know, a cheap version of No Way Out ECW pay-per-view. So, I just don't know why anybody would want to see it, but it'll be entertaining to, you know, watch, because Brock and Triple H bring the best out of each other. But, you know, I'll give it one more chance and watch it again, but I think something big is going to happen, because it has to. If it doesn't, then it's just a filler match, and I don't think them boys, they're too big for that. They won't be, you know, second fiddle to anybody. They're bigger than, you know, just a natural fight. But, you know, let me know what you all think, and comment and like this video or whatever you want to do. It's just, I just feel like this has gone on too long, but maybe one more shot at it, we'll get something different out of it. I want to thank y'all for watching, and remember, we all have a video camera, we all have internet, and we all have an opinion.